Once upon a time, in a lush, green forest, lived a curious little platypus named Percy. Percy was known for his playful nature and his love for exploring. One day, Percy noticed a shiny object glinting in the river. Intrigued, he swam towards it. As he reached, he found a beautiful, golden acorn. "A golden acorn?" Percy exclaimed. "This must be a treasure." He couldn't wait to show it to his friends. Percy swam back to his home, holding the golden acorn high. His friends were amazed by the glittering treasure. "Let's celebrate, Percy," they said. "Tonight, we'll have a feast." The platypus friends danced and played, their laughter echoing through the forest. But as the night fell, Percy felt a strange feeling. He thought, "This golden acorn is a treasure, but it's not the true treasure. The true treasure is the love and friendship we share." With a contented heart, Percy shared his newfound wisdom with his friends. From that day on, they appreciated their friendship even more. And Percy, with his golden acorn, continued his adventures in the lush, green forest, cherishing the true treasure of love and friendship. As the sun rose, Percy and his friends went about their day, playing and exploring, their hearts filled with joy and gratitude. And though the golden acorn was no longer a treasure, the memories they made together would always be. The end.